Hi learners! Welcome to our Learning Math series. My name is Coach MJ and I'm from Tula and tutor ko. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang PMDAS with decimals. Ano kaya to? Sige, simulan natin. Imagine this. Tutulungan mo si mommy na magluto ng paborito mong chicken adobo. Kaso, kulang ang ingredients niya. Kaya inutusan kanyang bumili ng mga ingredients sa grocery. Ito ang shopping list na binigay niya sa'yo. 2 kilos of chicken, 1 bottle of soy sauce, and 1 bottle of vinegar. Bago ka umalis, inabot sa'yo ni mommy ang 500 pesos. At sabi niya, dapat daw ay may sukli ka pang makukuha. Pumunta ka na sa grocery at hinanap mo ang mga pinapabili ni mommy. Una mong nakita ang chicken. Ang 1 kilo ng chicken ay 95.5 pesos. Kailangan ni mommy ng 2 kilos of chicken. So, kumuha ka ng 2 kilos. Sunod mong hinanap ang soy sauce. Ang 1 bottle of soy sauce ay may halagang 22.75 pesos. Kailangan mo ng 1 bottle. So, kumuha ka ng isa at nilagay mo ito sa iyong shopping cart. Finally, hinanap mo ang vinegar. Ang 1 bottle of vinegar ay may halagang 27.50 pesos. Kailangan mo rin ng 1 bottle. So, kumuha ka ng isa at nilagay mo ito sa iyong shopping cart. Pagkatapos mong makumpleto ang iyong shopping list, pumunta ka na sa counter. Inabot mo ang 500 sa cashier at bigla mong naalala. Sabi ni mommy, dapat daw ay may sukli ka pang makukuha. And so, our questions for today are, how much change should we receive? And what is the right equation for this math problem? In order to solve our problem, we need to learn about PMDAS, this time with decimals. PMDAS is an acronym that helps us remember the order of operations. Minsan, kailangan nating mag-add, subtract, multiply, or divide sa iisang equation. Kaya, we need to know which operation we need to solve first. The first thing in our to-do list is to simplify the values inside the parentheses. May mga values sa loob ng parentheses kagaya nito. All we have to do is solve the values from the inside before dealing with the rest of the equation. Ang susunod na priority ay ang multiplication or division. If we need to multiply or divide, we do this from left to right. The last priority we have is addition or subtraction. Katulad ng kanina, we solve this from left to right. Now, let's try to come up with our math equation. Diba, binigyan ka ni mommy ng 500. So, ang starting money natin ay 500. Now, remember that we are solving for change. So, ang lahat ng binili natin ay kailangan nating isubtract sa 500. Ang una nating binili ay 2 kilos of chicken. 1 kilo costs 95.5 pesos. So we can say that 2 kilos of chicken is 95.5 times 2. We are putting this in a parenthesis para hindi tayo malito. The next ingredient we bought was a bottle of soy sauce. Ang 1 bote ng soy sauce ay may halagang 22.75 pesos. So, tulad nung sa chicken, we have to subtract the cost of the soy sauce. And finally, bumili ka ng 1 bote ng suka. And it cost you 27.50 pesos. So again, tulad noong ibang ingredients, we have to subtract it. And there we go. We have our math equation from the math problem a while ago. Ngayon, subukan nating isolve ang equation natin using what we learned about PMDAS. To make things simple, we should always write the whole equation first. I'll place it on top so that it's easy for us to go back to. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, we start first with the values inside the parentheses. Base sa equation natin, we have 95.5 times 2 inside the parentheses. So if we simplify this using our knowledge on multiplying decimals, we will get 191. Now, let's plug back 191 into our equation. Hindi na natin kailangang gumamit ng parentheses ulit dahil na-simplify na natin yung laman nito kanina. Now, we can begin multiplying or dividing. Remember that we do this from left to right. But, as you can see, we don't have multiplication or division in our equation anymore. If this happens, we can simply skip step 2 and jump right into step 3, addition or subtraction. Again, we will do this from left to right. Starting with 500 minus 191, which gives us 309. And then we plug back 309 into the original equation and proceed with subtracting the next numbers. So now we have 309 minus 22.75, which gives us 286.25. And finally, we have 286.25 minus 27.50, which is equal to 258.75. And that is our final answer. So kung babalikan natin ang ating mga tanong kanina, we know that the right equation for our math problem is 500 minus, open parenthesis, 95.5 times 2, close parenthesis, minus 22.75 minus 27.50. And after solving this, we found out that we should receive a change of 258.75 pesos. Okay, now you try on your own gamit ang equation na ito. Alalahanin mo ang tatlong steps. Unahin mo muna ang mga nasa loob ng parenthesis. Then, you can multiply or divide. Then lastly, add or subtract. Make sure that you're always going from left to right. You may pause this video while you are solving, then you can press play again to see the correct answer. Kung nagawa mo ang lahat ng tama, ito dapat ang nakuha mo. Ang final answer natin ay 85.5. Good job! You finished watching our video about PMDAS with decimals from the Learning Math series. May natutunan ka ba? Gusto mo pang mag-level up? Click that bell button below to subscribe so you'll get notified of new videos. Pwede mo ring puntahan ang YouTube channel namin. Happy learning!